Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to analyze your competitors fast with the help of AI. So with the help of AI, we can do all the 3 steps of any research that you need. The first one is finding your competitors, direct and indirect. Second one is analyzing them, analyzing their landing page, what they offer and what is their message. And the third one is going deeper and make deep research about any competitor that you have. For example, analyzing their reviews on the internet. So here is an example of report that I got for AI marketing platform FounderPal. So first of all, it found my competitors. There are 20 of them, but I could find even more if I needed. I'll show you later in the tool itself. Secondly, I wanted to analyze a landing page of one of my competitors. I could analyze as many competitors as I wanted, but I wanted to analyze just one. And it gave me product insights, it gave me positioning and marketing insights as well. And what's more, it gave me ideas that I could use for my product, that I could test for my product. And of course, if I analyze, for example, 10 competitors, I get a lot of insights like this, and I want them structured and prioritized. So I could ask my marketing assistant to save all the recommendations that it gave me among all the competitors that I found and prioritize and rank them. And as a result, I got this table. It's not that big here because it's only one competitor. If I did more, the list will be, of course, longer, and I got it prioritized by impact and effort. And the last thing that I wanted in my competitor analysis report is to give me details about the biggest player on the market, is to analyze all the reviews that it has and give me a summary, what people complain about and what people like the most. So I gave a task to make a deep research about this topic, and I got all the insights from 5 platforms and takeaways and results I'll show you later in the app, because there is so much more in this analysis that I can use for my app and that I can use for my marketing experiments. So before I show you how it looks like in the app itself, not just screenshots, I want to highlight again what AI helped me with. So the first task was to find the competitors for my solution. All I had is a link to my website and the description of my product on the platform. And as a result, in less than a couple of minutes, AI gave me a list of 20 competitors. It counted both direct competitors and indirect competitors. It also highlighted corporations, niche leaders, and new players. And I could do a report as I want. I could design it myself. So if I wanted only direct players that just appeared recently, for example, direct new players, I could use it in the filters and get a report of only competitors like this type. The second thing that I did with the help of FounderPal is analyze my competitors. All I needed here is a link to their landing page, and then AI gave me a structured list of product insights, positioning and marketing insights, and also how I can use them in my product and what marketing experiments I should run to test if this strategy, if this feature works for my product or not. And also AI helped me with the most boring but one of the most important tasks is to structure all the knowledge about my competitors that I just got, the list of the competitors, their landing pages, their reviews, and it helped me summarizing it into one big list of call to actions for me so that I could just go and introduce new solutions and run new marketing experiments. So now let me quickly show you how it looks like in the actual app, not just a screenshot. So here is the list of competitors that I showed you. There are 20 of them, sorted by type, direct, indirect competitors, and their short overview. And I can also create as many reports as I want. All I need to do is choose my persona and product offer. If I have many in my product, if I have just one, it will be chosen by default. And then I choose the competitors that I want to search for example, direct and indirect. And then I can choose the size of these competitors. If I don't want to look for corporations and don't get depressed, then I just unclick them and then create a new report. The second tool that I used for my competitor research is Competitor Analyzer. Here is the result that I got. I already showed you a screenshot in the mirror. There are marketing, positioning, and I think, yeah, and product insights, and then ideas how I can use it. And I can create as many reports as I want, and all I need is just a link for a competitor's landing page, and then AI will analyze everything and give you a report exactly like this, but for the other competitor. And then if I have, for example, already 10 audits of my competitor's landing page, I could just go to Quick Task and ask to prioritize all the recommendations for my marketing, and it will create a very good prompt for my marketing assistant. And I can get a table with all the ideas prioritized exactly for my product, exactly for my offer. And the last big thing that I showed you is analyzing all the reviews for my biggest competitor. I could do this review for every competitor that I have with the help of deep search. So here's the one that I showed you in Miro. All that I needed for this report is my competitor's website link, and in just 4 or 5 minutes it gave me a full research, which consisted of summary, like a short overview for this report, then key takeaways if I don't have enough time to scan through the whole report. And it also suggested me next steps, features that I can include in my product. And also I can see all the tasks that I did to conduct this complete market research. So here is the task description, and then I can read the whole report about this task, and there are even some citations brought from some website platforms. So for example, I can see that I should focus on customer support because people really need it and they are annoyed when they don't get enough of it. And there are 5 more tasks that I did for this research, and I can walk through all of them. So that's pretty much it. You can do the same report manually if you want to, but you will probably spend like 2 to 4 weeks to collect all the information about the competitors and to list everything and to prioritize everything. Or you can use AI platform FounderPal that will help you do all this analysis for you.